How to make your Twitter or X account private. Let's get started. Launch your X app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now at the top left corner, you're going to find your profile picture. Click on that. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option of settings and support. Then click on the option of settings and privacy. Now here you're going to find different options. Head over to the option of privacy and safety. Then navigate to the option of audience and tagging. Now from here you can easily make your X account private. Toggle on for these options, protect your post, likewise protect your videos. Now only the people who follow you will be able to get access to your posts and videos. So this way you can easily make your Twitter or X account private. Likewise, click on the option of photo tagging. You can also disable for this option of photo tagging. So that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.